Hi guys, welcome to the Karen Krausen Photography YouTube channel. I hope to earn your subscription. This particular video isn't really related to photography, but I will be putting this in my gardening playlist, even though it's not quite gardening. This is a spot in the yard that's just been driving me absolutely crazy. It's very disorganized, so I wanted to bring some order to the chaos, basically. So that's what this video is just me organizing this space. And then on top of it, I had these two box spring from a mattress. And so in another video, I created like a little fence, which you can see over in the left-hand corner of the screen here, on the other side of the picket fence. Originally, I wanted to create a trellis, but they're two different sizes, these box springs, and I just did not feel like trying to level up one side and getting a ladder to put the other spring on top of these two. So I scratched the whole idea and created a fence with one, and now with this one, I'm going to be deconstructing this mattress and use it sort of like a pallet that I did earlier in the earlier scene, where I just put shovels and rakes and that sort of thing over there. So anyway, there's really no rhyme or reason to this video except to showcase what can be done with very little. I've had people tell me before, you know, hey, I really want to do my yard up really cute the way that you do, or different projects that I've done, but I just don't have the money. I just don't have the resources to do that. And the thing is my father used to always say religiously, honestly, when I was growing up, that you could tell a lot about a person, not necessarily by what they own, but how they own something. So basically what that means is you could take somebody living in a shack, and if they just take a little bit of pride, even in their shack, you know, they keep it clean, they keep it organized, they take care of what little that they have, that really reveals a lot about that person. Whereas there are people out there who live in these gorgeous homes, but you walk inside and it's just disgusting. You know, it's just absolutely disgusting. So what does that say about that person? Well, maybe they're having a hard time and they're going through a slump and just don't feel like doing anything. But you really can tell a lot about a person just by how they live in their space, because your space is the most important thing that you can control, right? We can't control everything, but you can control your space and where you live and what you do. So for those who say they don't have the money or the resources to do some of these things, the only advice I can give is just take a look around and use your imagination. Like for example, these are two box springs, and I'm just using them as extra storage and fencing. Is it the prettiest thing in the world? No, I'm probably going to continue to keep working on these to make it better. But the point is that I'm taking charge of the space and deciding that I am the one in charge here, not the space, and I will take charge of the space. So that's what I'm doing. And I quite like how it turned out. I think it turned out all right. It's a little bit rednecky, but it will improve as time goes on. So, but these are little simple things you can do around your place just to organize and make life easier. So like for example, when spring comes and I'm wanting to do some yard work, it's not going to be a hassle to have to dig through all of that junk and look for the right tools. I know right where to go now. I know right where they are, and I can just go and get them. And then when I'm done, I put them back. But anyway, this has just been a really short little video, hopefully to inspire you guys to get out in your own spaces and bring order to chaos in your own yards or your house or what have you. But the video is almost done here, so enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and check out the other videos on the channel, and leave a comment if you would like to do so. I love reading the comments that people leave. Okay, see you next time, you guys.